In this question, we have to identify the compound X, and we are given different reactions and what is the solubility. When X is added in water, it is insoluble. 10% hydrochloric acid insoluble. Caustic soda is soluble, and NaH baking soda is insoluble. So we just have the options, and we have to see what will be set for all these reactions. And coming to the solution. We know that paracresol is acidic enough to be soluble in 10% NaOH, and oleic acid forms salt. Oleic acid is a fatty acid that occurs naturally in various animal and vegetable fat and oils. It is an odorless, colorless oil through commercial samples may be yellowish. In chemical terms, oleic acid is classified as monosaturated omega-9 fatty acid, so they form salt. This was some just extra information, and is insoluble due to tolerance and long chain of hydrocarbon. I just said that it is a fatty acid and it has a long chain of hydrocarbon, so it is insoluble in others. So we see that the third option is the right one. For further explanation, you can obviously refer to its structure, and we will all come to know more about the compound.